Welcome to AslanEngineer Channel, Motor Wiring Methods, CEC Exam Prep. Hello everyone and welcome to AslanEngineer Channel. We are here to help you pass your Canadian Electrical Code and Red Seal exams easily and confidently. Today's episode is about motor wiring methods, Section 28 of the Canadian Electrical Code. We will focus on the most important exam numbers and frequently tested rules. Rule 28-102, Portable Motors. Portable motors shall use Type S cord. This is a common exam question. Rule 28-104, Motor Supply Conductor Temperature. Rating: motor supply conductors shall normally have minimum insulation rating of 75 degrees Celsius high temperature requirement. When insulation ratings above 75 degrees Celsius are required, motor conductors shall not be less than, for motors less than 100 horsepower, 600 millimeters from the motor. For motors 100 horsepower or greater, 1.2 meters from the motor. Rule 28-106, Individual motors. Continuous duty motors conductors shall have an ampacity of 125% of the full load current, FLC. This is one of the most important Red Seal numbers. Non-continuous duty motors use Table 27 percentages. Rule 28-108, 2 or more motors. For groups of motors operating continuously, conductors shall have ampacity equal to 125% of the largest motor full load current plus 100% of all other motor full load currents. This formula appears very frequently on Red Seal exams. Rule 28-110, Feeder conductors. Tap conductors may be smaller than the feeder when length does not exceed 7.5 meters, and ampacity is at least one-third of the feeder. Ampacity is at least one-third of the feeder ampacity exam numbers. 7.5 meters, one-third feeder ampacity. Rule 28-112, Secondary conductors for wound rotor motors. Secondary conductors shall have ampacity not less than 125% of rated full load secondary current quick memory sheet item value portable motor cord type S. Minimum insulation rating 75 degrees Celsius. Distance for motors less than 100 horsepower and 600 millimeters. Distance for motors greater than or equal to 100 horsepower, 1.2 meters. Continuous duty motor conductors, 125% FLC. Largest motor in group, 125% FLC. Other motors in group, 100% FLC. Maximum tap conductor length, 7.5 meters. Minimum tap ampacity, one-third feeder. Wound rotor secondary conductors, 125%. Exam tricks. Memorize these numbers: 75 degrees Celsius, 125%, 600 millimeters, 1.2 meters, 7.5 meters, one-third. These numbers are repeatedly used in Red Seal questions. And if this episode is helping you, please like the video and subscribe to AslanEngineer Channel. Your support helps us continue producing free educational content for electricians. Practice daily at teslaexam.com. Visit teslaexam.com for daily exam-like questions, CEC educational materials, Red Seal preparation resources, practice quizzes, and study tools. Join our Telegram community Tesla, CEC exam channel t.me/Tesla C exam Tesla CEC exam. Discussion group inside the community. You can answer quizzes, ask questions, get help solving difficult code problems, discuss CEC rules with other electricians. Private Red Seal preparation. If you would like additional help, send me a DM on Telegram for private preparation courses. We review many of the most repeated and reputable Red Seal questions and help you become fully prepared for exam day. Thank you for listening to AslanEngineer Channel. Study smart, practice daily, and let's pass the Red Seal exam together.